Hello everybody, myself Jyoti and this is third lecture on bending of beams. Now, what in the last lecture we have studied about the cantilever. So, what was the problem with cantilever? It is not suitable for the purpose of measurement because of the difficulty of supporting one end rigidly. So now, how this difficulty can be overcome? To overcome this difficulty, we now consider a case where the beam is supported on knife edges at the ends and loaded in the middle. In case of cantilever, we keep one end fixed and we load at the other end. In case of this system, we support the beam on the two knife edges at the ends and load it in the middle. So it is something like this. So look at this beam EF. This beam is supported on two knife edges and it is loaded in the middle. This is the weight which we have applied. Just a second. This is the weight which we have applied over here. Suppose total length of the beam it is L. Then this distance O to F or E to O, it will be naturally L by 2 because O is at the center. And suppose we consider a point P here on the beam, then this distance will be, suppose P, it is the point at a distance x from O, and we know that this distance it is L by 2. So naturally distance of P from F it will be L by 2 minus x. And this weight W which is in the middle, it will be divided between E and F. So here there is a weight W by 2 acting at point F, and there will be similar weight W by 2 acting at point E. Okay, so let us so we have this beam, right, EF. So now we will consider that suppose there is force P over here at the edge E and we have force Q at the edge F. So P plus Q, it will be the total load W. That is what we have written over here. Let P be the supporting force at knife edge E and Q at knife edge F. Then P plus Q, it is equals to W. So don't get confused between this capital P and small p. Small p, it is the point. See, small p, it is the point which we have considered over here, which is at a distance x from the origin, or you can say at a distance L by 2 minus x from the point F. Whereas capital P, it is the force. Okay. So we have P plus Q equals to W. Taking moment about O, we know that moment it is distance multiplied by force. So minus L by 2, it is the distance, minus L by 2 into P plus L by 2 into Q equals to 0. We have taken minus L by 2 because it is on the negative side of the origin. So this force P multiplied by this distance. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance है L by 2, but we have taken negative because O is the origin, it is to the left side. And again, this we have taken as a L by 2. That is how we have written minus L by 2 plus into P plus L by 2 into Q, it is equals to 0. And so when we will solve this, so like we have L by 2 P, it is equals to L by 2 Q. I shifted this term over there. L by 2 will get cancelled and we will get this P equals to Q. So from this equation 3 and equation 1, if we compare, then we will get P equals to Q equals to W by 2. So therefore each half of the beam can be regarded as an inverted cantilever whose free end carries a load W by 2 and whose length is L by 2. So each load, it is acting like as a cantilever. Okay. So ये जो knife edge है यहाँ पे we have this distance from the origin, it is L by 2 and it is carrying a weight W by 2. So this is one cantilever, and from here to here this distance is suppose L by 2 and here also it is carrying weight W by 2. So this is another cantilever. So two cantilevers that way. Now replacing L by 2 and W by W by 2 in the equation of depression for cantilever, because हाँ कैंटिलीवर का एक्सप्रेशन हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम ही डिराइव किया था. सो कैंटिलीवर का एक्सप्रेशन था y0 इक्वल्स टू डब्ल्यू एल क्यूब अपॉन 3y सो इसमें हम लोग बिकॉज एज इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ कैंटिलीवर, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल रिप्लेस L by 2 एंड W by 2. So what we will get, y0 equals to W by 2, L by 2 का क्यूब 3yig. So W L cube, 2 का क्यूब will be 8 that I have taken down, yig 8 और ये वाला 2 भी मैंने यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो 2 3 6, ये 6, डब्ल्यू एल क्यूब ऊपर, एंड इसका जो 2 का क्यूब जो आया 8, दैट आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर, सो आई गॉट डब्ल्यू एल क्यूब अपॉन 6 into 8 y ig. 6 into 8 is 48, so I'm getting w l cube upon 48 y ig. So this is the depression for the beam which is supported at the ends and loaded in the middle. Okay, thank you so much.